Welcome everyone to another development progress update of Project GeoDepths, a first-person mining drill game made in Unity. In my last video I had implemented the core drill navigation and mining, but there wasn't anything to do with this mined ore. So since then I set out to create a hub home base where you should be able to refine, store and use all the ore that you have collected. Firstly, I built up the floors, walls and ceilings. I made 3 rooms with their purposes in mind and hallways between them. I then built a docking access tube in one of the rooms so you can go between the hub and the drill. Next I was to add all the props for each room. This will be the drill workshop, so I added a terminal for selecting drill upgrades, a hologram of the drill and a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff. Down the hall and to the left we have the refinery room. To this I added some refinery machinery with some moving conveyor belts, a refinery terminal for initiating the refining of the ore in the drill, and then some machinery and other filler props. Lastly is the third room, which will serve no functional purpose, but is nice to have around anyway. To these living quarters I added beds, tables, chairs and plants, and a bunch of other nice stuff in between. From here you can get a nice view of the outside landscape. There it is. I'm thinking that this will be set on some barren planet, rich with ore underground but void of life up above. With the hub all built up, I then proceeded to implement all the functionality behind it. I started with making it so that you can initiate docking when the drill is close enough to the hub on the map. When you do so, the drill will rumble about and a red light will flash, until docking is complete. This will then allow you to open the drill's door and access the hub. When you're ready to go drilling again, you can then close this door up and start undocking, which behaves the same as docking, and will allow you to pilot the drill once completed. Now really in all of this, the drill actually remains attached to the hub in world space, and when you pilot it, it doesn't actually move anywhere. So the hub is always on the other side of the door, but what the player doesn't know won't hurt them. Next I went on to implement the refinery, where I set up the refinery terminal to list the resources stored in the drill and the hub. I added a button to start the transfer of resources from the drill to the hub, and once this is done, you can initiate the refining of those resources. When refining, the ore can be seen being moved into the refiner along the conveyor belt. Once there, the ore will be refined into metal ingots, which will be spat out the other side, and sent away into hub storage. Creating these conveyors was a bunch of fun. I coded up a basic modular conveyor belt system where conveyors can be connected all together and move resources along them. I may do more with this system in the future, but for now, only the refinery uses it. So now that you can refine the ore into metal, it was time to implement drill upgrading. I added a UI to the drill's upgrade terminal, where you can see the current upgrade level of each upgrade type. For now there is just speed, storage, and mining upgrades. You can see the resource cost of the next upgrade, and the stats that will be affected when you apply it. Starting an upgrade will take some time and the drill access tube will be shut off until it is completed. Well, so that wraps it up for this progress update, and I'll see you at the next one.